thing keeps falling. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this smoky sultry glam using the Vive Essential palette. I am so excited. Is that even what it's called? To make sure. Yes. Thank God. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. But first, I gotta do my shout out. Shout out to Nasima, who is always commenting on my stuff. You are on it, girl. Thank you so much. You were the first comment on my last video. So yeah. Shout out to you. All right, without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. And by the way, sorry about the headband. My hair is straight and I don't want my foundation and crap to get in it, so okay. I'm gonna be cocktailing together a few different things here. These are all from Makeup Revolution. This is their 2% hyaluronic acid stuff. And basically, like, I don't need much at all. I'm just gonna be putting like 2 drops of this in my hand. The next thing I'm gonna be mixing in is the Super Strength Formula 15% niacinamide, I don't know. Mix that in. This is good for blemish refining and it's also a moisturizing serum. 2 drops of that, and that one is a lot more like jelly-like. And then I'm also gonna be mixing in the 0.5% retinol with rose hip seed oil. Sorry, I forgot what I was saying. And this is conditioning and a fine line serum. So pretty much everything that my skin needs right now. So basically, I mix it together with clean hands. I'm just going to like press it in my face. Get it on your eyes, it's fine. On your eyelids, not in your eyes. And then you can also, oh, don't look at my chin, do your neck. That felt really good. And then also for Makeup Revolution, I'm using their Cica cream. It's just a moisturizer, and this is good for redness. And this stuff, like, a little goes a long way. I was using this amount of my last moisturizer, and like, I feel like I didn't get this much like spread, but it's fine. I like to bring my moisturizer basically like all the way up to under my eyes. I don't know if anyone else does that, but I do. Should we do my eyebrows first? Probably. Okay, for eyebrows today, I'm using my all-time fave product. This is the NYX Micro Brow. I have the black one because my hair is black. Okay, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit for you guys today. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer for my eye primer, and this will also help me, you know, define those brows. And that's it. And then with a sponge, it doesn't have to be damp. Just go ahead and kind of blend in the rest of that concealer. And I will be setting that with my H&B Cosmetics Soft Focus Loose Powder. Okay, you guys. So on Instagram, I asked you if you wanted to see natural or glam with this palette, or natural or smoky, something like that. So let's see what we're doing today. 33% natural glam, 67% of you said smoky glam. So today, we're doing smoky glam. If you want any input on my videos, follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of polls on there to see like what you guys want to see, you know? So I think I should just go in, just do it. First shade I'm picking up is Good Night. And I'm gonna pack this all up on my lid. And so once I pretty much have all the black that I need on my lid, I'm just kind of gonna start like almost dragging down, but I'm gonna be moving up into my crease. So just like that, like I'm dragging the product down, but I'm taking the brush higher just to kind of like blend that out just a little bit. And this is really kind of where you can shape your eyeshadow too. So I'm kind of going for that. You can already see it taking shape. All right, so we've got 2 pretty similar shapes going on. Don't mind me, just looking for my next brush. So to buff this out, I'm gonna be picking up the shade Lava Rock, and I'm gonna start right up here and just kind of slowly buff out that harsh line. Guys, trust the process. Don't worry. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. So now the next shade I'm going to be picking up is Buff. God. This thing keeps falling. So now, Miss Ma'am, who keeps trying to jump out of the palette, it's your turn. This is the shade Thea. And I am just packing this on my lid. Oh, you can see it's starting to come together now, huh? But don't worry, we're not done yet. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up my black eyeshadow in the palette, the shade Goodnight. And I'm going to really slowly just kind of stamp the eyeliner on where I think it should be, but using an angled brush. We're going for smoky liner, you see that? And then very important, you need to get it in this inner corner to give you that like look. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is pick up the shade Carrot, which is another kind of shimmer, and I'm just going to go like right over top, but on the inner-ish corner of this look, just to brighten up a little bit. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm using the shade Glimmer, which is even lighter and brighter. And it's also going to be my brow bone highlight. Okay, so I just did my foundation and concealer because I had to. I'm looking much better. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start on my under eye. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pick up the shade Buff. And I am going to buff it all around the place down here. If you can see, I'm also kind of blending it right up underneath that wing. That's going to be kind of key to like making this whole look blend together. Next shade I'm picking up is Lava Rock, which is that second brown, or the first brown that we used. And I'm just going to keep this a lot tighter to the actual lash line. Okay, next we are going to be tightlining our eyes, waterline, whatever you want to call it. So stick this on there. All right, with our black eyeshadow, we are going to smoke out this lower lash line. We are also going to be connecting the black on the lower lash line to our smoky wing. So to blend out your wing a little more, you basically want to blend like up and in. Great. My favorite. Okay, you guys, I have a lash trick that is gonna blow your freaking socks off. So I am using the Kiss Lashes in the style 9, which they're just like really light, wispy lashes, but we're gonna beef them up. So when you trim your lash, because most people do, hang on to that little end bit because we're gonna come back around and use it. Okay, so we have our little extra bit that we trimmed. What we're gonna do is stick it right on the very like outer corner on the top of the lash that you just put on. And that's just gonna give you more volume out here to kind of further accentuate like the cat eye look that we have going on. I'm going for like supermodel smoky eye glam, not like super perfect. So this is kind of like one of those like effortless, like more of an editorial smoky eye, you know? This is the difference that lashes make, baby. You gotta wear them. You gotta wear them. Okay, let's finish this face. Much better. Okay, so now I just need to do my lips. Okay, the lip liner I'm using is NYX in the shade Nude. This is Please Me from MAC. Don't worry, we're gonna tone it down. In the middle of my lip, I'm using the Vive lipstick in the shade Treasure. Just gonna nude it up. I feel like Please Me was not the right move. That's what I like. All right, and to finish it off, we're just gonna do some clear gloss. All right, you guys, this is it. The final look, my smoky glam using the Vive Essential Palette. I like it. I told you, you just have to trust the process because this was a hot mess express when it first started, but now we're pulled together, we're smoky, we're glam. Everything you could want in an eye look. Also, recognize these cuties, huh? From my last video. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Comment down below what kind of look you want to see next, or if there's anything you want me to review, and I will get right on it. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.